Hello children, today we are going to learn the letter X. Let's look at the picture and learn the words that start with the letter X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xbox. X for Xerox. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. This is the letter X reading fun. Now let's read a short story together. A boy sitting in his room is playing with the xylophone. His room has a sparkling Xmas tree. There are an Xbox and Xerox photocopier machine. A doctor cheeked the X-ray. STEAM activities. Let's do some fun activities together. S. Tell the students that a doctor cheeked broken bones of a human body by using X-ray. T. Listen to the letter X by watching a video. E. Take 2 ice cream sticks and make a shape of X. A. Dip the finger in the paint and make the letter X with finger on the paper. M. Count objects beginning with the sound X around you. Word building. Let's spell and read these words. M-I-X, mix. F-O-X, fox. B-O-X, box. Well done, children. Goodbye.